What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at @grind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines, and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $90 plus in a day watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps, and sometimes I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Also, don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money, which is coming at the end of this month of August. And please follow me on Instagram. It's @grind. One more thing before I get into this method. Please subscribe to my other channel, which is Random Reg TV. I'm also giving away free money there once I reach 2,000 subscribers. So help me to grow on that channel too, and you're going to get a chance to win some free money there also. The link to the site will pop up in this video right here. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have 2 or 3 sites I'm going to show you how you can make this money watching videos. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is TV-2. Now, I've talked about this website in the past, but I want to bring it up again because it's one of the best websites that you can make money from watching videos. Okay, let's go ahead and read a little bit about this website. So, what is TV-2? Watch videos. Lean back and enjoy your favorite content from thousands of creators. Earn crypto. Collect rewards and receive cryptocurrency payouts. Boost earnings. Speed up your earnings by completing tasks. Now, I'm going to show you later that you can turn this cryptocurrency into cash. So let's just scroll down here and look at how to use TV-2. So you're going to be downloading their app. So you're going to download TV-2, get the TV-2 app for your Samsung or LG Smart TV, as well as your iOS or Android smartphone. No TV, no problem. Just use the app on your phone. Link devices. During the first start of the TV app, scan your QR code, which is right here. This is how a QR code looks, from your TV screen to sync your TV to your smartphone. Then number 3 is lean back and earn crypto. Machine learning curates the perfect programming just for you. Earn TTV, Ethereum, tokens, ERC20 for every second you watch. So every second you watch, you're going to be earning some cryptocurrency, which is pretty good. Now, there's just some graphics of how the payout look and how the videos will look on your phone. And
They have all the categories right here, which you'll discover, which is on YouTube, by the way. So you're going to be looking at YouTube videos. Now, I want to go ahead and look at the frequently asked questions. We're going to read up some of them right quick just to learn a little bit more about the payout. So how to request a payout to earn crypto. Once you have collected 50,000 credits in the app, you can click on the wallet icon in the bottom right corner and click on request payout. You simply need an email or your Ethereum wallet address. Please make sure that your wallet is compatible with TTV tokens. And I'll show you in a minute where you need to go to be able to get your crypto and also turn it into cash. Now, how much is 1 TTV in US dollars? So exchange rate between TTV and USD depends on the current market price of the cryptocurrency exchanges. So it depends on Ethereum. So you can click right here where it says coin market cap. And it's going to show you Ethereum, which is the crypto that you're going to be accumulating from this website. The prices go up and down, but Ethereum doing pretty good, so it's going to be going up. So the higher it gets, the more money you can cash out with US dollars. All right, guys, let me go ahead and go to the app right quick because I want you to look at the rating and the reviews. Okay, I'm at the app. So when you go and download the app on Google Play, you go to TV-2 Watch and Earn Rewards. And let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.7, which is very, very good. It's excellent, matter of fact, because there's not that many apps out there that's 4.7. And there's really not no apps out there that's 5.0. So let's just look at one review here. Okay, this person right here, Black Angel, says, okay. So after a while of being here, everything seems to be cool. I watched videos and earned lots of coins, more than 200 plus and 500. I played a game as an offer and earned more than 2 million coins. But I'm seeing they have an issue with the payout thing. So they're making money on here. And then also they have other offers like playing games that you can make some extra crypto from it. So, you know, everybody has different type of phones and everything, so it's going to be little glitches here and there, but as you can see, customer service on this app really addressed it, and they probably got it fixed. So this website and this app is pretty good. The customer service is pretty good. As you can see, they answer any of your concerns. All right, I want to take you to one more place, which is called Coinbase, which is a website you're going to have to sign up for your Ethereum crypto. So let's go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, I'm at Coinbase. So this is the website. You go here and sign up, free to sign up. And once you go here, as you can see, they have all different type of cryptos, and they have the Ethereum. That's the crypto that you're going to be accumulating. And once you sign up, you'll be able to link your bank account to this site, and you'll be able to exchange your crypto and convert it into dollars. And matter of fact, on here they have another way that you can make some money on Coinbase. So earn up to $115 worth of crypto. Discover how Pacific cryptocurrency works and get a bit of each crypto to try out for yourself. So on here you can watch their videos with which they're telling you how cryptocurrency works
and you can make up to $150 worth of crypto. So all you do is just click here and earn crypto while learning about crypto. And as you can see here, when you watch this video right here, it's like a course that you're going to be looking at, and you're going to earn $6. Here you earn $9. You view this, you earn $6. There's one you earn $50 by viewing this course, another $50. So guys, you can make up to $90 in one day just watching some few little videos and watching a course on this Coinbase. So now I've told you 2 places where you can go watch videos and make money. So that's it, guys. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making this money watching videos, go to TV-2, download the app, then go to Coinbase and open up an account there, and also make some money learning about crypto. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get 100 likes. It's really going to help out my channel if I can get 100 likes. Help out a brother and just hit that like button for me. It's free. It's real easy. Just hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these websites that I've showed you today to make this money watching videos. And please follow me on Instagram. It's really, really important to follow me on Instagram because it's going to increase your chance to win some free money. And guys, please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for your support. Road to 4,000. We're coming for you, 4,000. We're coming. It's right around the corner. We're coming. So let's get there. Let's get there. Keep sharing. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. And we're going to get there, guys. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.